Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to explore a strange situation you might encounter when solving equations: contradictions. Have you ever solved a math problem and ended up with something impossible, like 5 equals 3? We will learn what that means. First, let's refresh our memory. An equation is like a balanced scale. The equals sign tells us that the value on the left side is exactly the same as the value on the right side. Usually, our goal is to find the value of x that keeps this scale perfectly balanced. When you solve a linear equation, there are actually 3 things that can happen. Most of the time, you get one solution, like x equals 5. Sometimes, you get infinite solutions where any number works. But today, we are focusing on the third outcome: no solution. So, what is a contradiction? It is an equation that is never true, no matter what number you plug in for the variable. It represents a mathematical impossibility. Let's see how this looks in practice. Let's try to solve the equation x plus 5 equals x plus 2. To get x by itself, we might try to subtract x from both sides. But look what happens. The x on the left cancels out, and the x on the right cancels out too. We are left with just numbers. 5 equals 2. We ended up with the statement 5 equals 2. Is 5 equal to 2? Of course not. This is a false statement. Because we arrived at something false using correct math steps, it means the original equation has no solution. There is no number x that can make 5 equal to 2. We can also understand this visually. If we graph the left side, y equals x plus 5, and the right side, y equals x plus 2, we get 2 lines. Notice that they have the same slope but different heights. These are parallel lines. Because they are parallel, they will never intersect. No intersection means no solution. Think of it like 2 runners on a track. They are running at the exact same speed. But runner B starts 5 meters ahead of runner A. Since they are running at the same speed, the distance between them never changes. Runner A will never catch up to runner B. Their paths never cross. Be careful not to confuse a contradiction with an identity. In a contradiction, the variables cancel out and you get a false statement, like 1 equals 5. That means no solution. In an identity, the variables cancel out but you get a true statement, like 6 equals 6. That means infinite solutions. A common mistake students make is thinking they did something wrong when the x disappears. Or they might try to force an answer, saying x is 0. Don't do that. If you get a false statement like 0 equals 7, simply write no solution. Now it is your turn. Look at the equation 3x plus 4 equals 3x plus 10. If you subtract 3x from both sides, what happens? You are left with 4 equals 10, which is false. So the correct answer is no solution. To wrap up, remember that some equations simply have no solution. This happens when the variables cancel out, leaving a false statement. Mathematically, this is called a contradiction, and visually it represents parallel lines. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.